Xiaomi was in the fitness band market since 2014. The most popular of them all is the Mi Band 3. When it was launched back in May of 2018, it was a huge hit. And now its successor, the Mi Band 4 is here. Xiaomi claims to have fixed all the issues that its predecessor, the Mi Band 3 had. Now, here's our review of the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. And if you like what you see, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon. I'm Abhiram and you're watching Random Shashi. Let's begin. The Mi Band 4, the brand new fitness tracker from Xiaomi, which costs around $58 or 4,000 rupees here in India. Now let's see a quick unboxing. The first and the most important upgrade from the Mi Band 3 is its 0.95-inch RGB AMOLED display. The 120x240 resolution screen offers a sharp and clear viewing experience. Now coming to its main part, the fitness tracking. Unlike the Band 3, the Band 4 has 6-axis gyroscope which offer better activity tracking. As for messages and notifications, you still can't reply to it even in the Mi Band 4. Coming to the battery life, even though it has a color screen, Xiaomi was able to maintain a battery life of up to 20 days under normal conditions. The 350 mAh battery takes just under 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. The 400 nit brightness means it's easy to see in direct sunlight. And the band is water resistant up to 50 meters. You can wear it while you're showering or you can take it swimming. Regarding the heart rate sensor, the reading was accurate most of the time. One of the biggest features is the wide variety of watch faces available for the Mi Band 4. Even better, you can add or create your own custom watch faces, which we will cover in an upcoming video. Stay tuned for that. One other great feature of the Mi Band 4 is the music control, which lets you play, pause and skip tracks directly from the band. This feature might come handy when you're listening with the headphone. When you receive a call on your phone, you can either reject or silence the call directly from the band. Each year, Xiaomi adds more features to its Mi Band lineup and keeps the price hikes to a minimum. With an improved display, more exercise profiles and a rock bottom price, the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 squares itself away as one of the best cheap fitness trackers of 2019. If you need a cheap fitness tracker or simply want to upgrade from a previous Mi Band device, you should seriously consider the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.